Here I'm sharing with you the Monster Fit pill organizer. I will be sharing my likes and dislikes and also some of my tips. I use this Monster Fit pill organizer to take my vitamins and helps keep track of my daily vitamins. It includes label stickers so you can write down what is what. And it has a removable top. It helps organize your vitamins and your pills throughout the week. So it has 7 compartments. It could be 1 compartment for each day or up to 7 vitamins per day. An alternate way of refilling this container is by simply taking your pill bottle, and where the hole is, you could actually dump your vitamins inside the hole in that way. So it's a lot easier versus trying to peel this off, and sometimes it's kind of stuck on there. You may want to do this as a simpler method to refill, so that way it's easier and also less chance of making a mess. Here I'm showing inside the lid where it has the groove, and that's the part that actually fits right here in the bevel that's right onto the container compartment. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.